Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today I have a special box from Glossybox and it is the Rodial box. So let's get into it and let me show you what's inside. The Rodial box is a special box that's being offered from Glossybox right now. So we have a nice, awesome box to go with it. But more importantly, it has 7 products inside worth more than $100. If you belong to Glossybox, you can go purchase this right now. It is $30 if you belong to Glossybox. If you don't belong to Glossybox, you can still purchase this, but you can't purchase it until tomorrow, which is the 23rd, and it will be $35. I believe they said it would be $5 more if you weren't already a Glossybox member. If you have any interest in joining Glossybox, I will put my link and code below, and that will get you your first box for $16, which is $5 off. If you go month to month with Glossybox, it's $21 a month, but as you extend your commitment length out, like I always did a 3-month subscription, it reduces the price. I think at 3 months I was paying about $19.50. So if you would like to join Glossybox, I will put my link below. It will get you $5 off your first box plus, and I will link it here. I just did the Glossybox advent calendar. And if you belong to Glossybox, you can also get that for $10 off, and that was awesome. Okay, let's dig right into this one. I have tried Rodial, a couple of their products. I haven't tried any in this range, but I went on because I knew what was gonna be in here and that we would be talking about it to check it out. And I can use everything that's in this box. And I am so excited about that. I think in this range, the only thing that I couldn't use was the night cream, and it had retinols in it. Everything else was fair game for my face. So we have a pretty pamphlet that will tell us about everything that we have on the inside. And then as per the usual, Glossybox has beautiful packaging. And when we open it up, that is what it looks like. And it is full of the Rodial Dragon's Blood line plus a bonus product. Glass up and see what this paperwork says. All right, this says a Glossybox by Rodial, and on the inside, it shows us everything that we're getting ready to talk about. And it says, hello Glossies. We're beyond excited to bring you this Rodial limited edition box featuring products from the Dragon's Blood range. Founded in 1999 in London by Maria Hatzistefanis. Yes, I'm staying with that. Rodial became one of the leading luxury skincare brands globally. Renowned by celebrities and sold all over the world, the brand became known for enhancing natural beauty, producing instant results, and having long-lasting benefits. Rodial's Dragon Blood is an anti-inflammatory, soothing ingredient that comes from the croton, another word, Lachierly tree, protecting against external aggressions while plumping and hydrating. This range is perfect for reducing redness and anti-aging. So dive into your box and treat your skin to the skincare it deserves. So you all know when Glossybox asked me if I would like to review this box, which they did, they sent it to me free for review. I read about it and was like, yes, I am 100% in anti-redness and anti-inflammation, and I love the idea of doing some anti-aging that I can actually take. So I am anxious to try all of these products. All right, so we're gonna dig right in, and we have the Rodial Dragon's Blood, which this will all be, jelly eye patches to hydrate and tone. And we have 2 of them. And that is what that looks like. Let's see what the paperwork tells us about it. We get 2 full-size sachets, and one is $11. And it says visibly smooth, plump, and restore hydration in under eye contours with the protective powers of Dragon's Blood in these eye patches. The new jelly texture technology will calm and depuff the under eye area for a refreshed look. I just love the way that sounds, and it says to put them under your eyes for 20 to 30 minutes. So we have 2. We also have 2 of the Dragon's Blood lip masks, hydrate and tone. So these are just for your lips, and we have 2 of those also. Take your lip game to a whole new level with these replenishing biocellulose lip masks. Dragon's Blood extract and hyaluronic acid will restore, plump, and protect, giving you the ultimate moisture boost for smoother looking lips. I like the idea of that too. I have such thin lips, and in the winter they get dry, and that just makes them look smaller. So I will do anything that will help plump my lips. Remember when you were a kid and you used to take a Coke bottle and you could suck on it and it would pull your lips in? I'm not saying I ever did that, but this sounds much better than that. These are both full-size sachets, and they are $7 each. Next, we have the Rodial Dragon's Blood Cleansing Water, and it is a micellar water. That is what that looks like. This is, let me tell you, 3.4 fluid ounces. This is a deluxe mini and it has a $25 value. If it was full size, it would have a $45 value. Cleanse, refresh, and soothe your skin all at once with this micellar water. Hyaluronic acid and vitamin B3 paired with dragon's blood hydrate, illuminate, and remove dirt and makeup. Its lightweight texture is perfect for a cooling and soothing effect. I cannot wait to try this. I'm so excited to have some anti-aging stuff that hopefully my skin will love. I'm just too excited. Reaching in next, I have the Rodial Glamo Lash Mascara XXL. Let me take this out of the packaging while I tell you that I am finishing up a mascara. So we're gonna look at this and I'm going to try this. You guys know I love to try new mascaras. Rodial Glamo Lash XXL, that is what it looks like. I'm gonna say this is probably a deluxe mini too. It is a deluxe mini, it is 6 ml and it has a $13 value. If it was the full size, it would be 13 ml. So this is almost exactly half the size of a full size and it would be $29. I like the little ones because I prefer a wetter formula. I like that they stay wetter when you're only using this much versus a full size, but that's a personal preference. Some people prefer a drier mascara. With intensified color concentration, this mascara will guarantee extreme black lashes and supercharged volume. The long wear formula ensures that your lashes stay maximized all day and all night. All right, let's see what this looks like. I really judge a mascara by its wand. I like this one. I like them when they're just basic. You know, when they get into the big fluffy, not my favorite. That's just a really basic wand and it is a wetter formula, which I like. I don't know why. I feel like I probably get more length with a wetter formula. Personal preference again, but yay. And last but not least, I have the Rodial Dragon's Blood Sculpting Gel XXL Plumping Formula to volumize the skin's appearance. Excellent. Let's read about this and then we'll get into it. It says Dragon's Blood Sculpting Gel containing dragon's blood and sap from the Croton Lechleri tree. This revolutionary anti-aging gel helps volumize and define facial contours by stimulating the production of collagen. Say hello to firmer and more lifted skin. Hello, or as Joey would say, how you doing? I am so excited to be able to try something because like I said, I looked up the ingredients and I can totally use this. That says it's going to firm and lift, plump, yay. This is 9 mLs, which is the deluxe mini, and it has a $26 value, and the full size is 50 mLs and has a $108 value. This has one of these tops. I love these tops. You guys know I love the Lala Retro, and it has this kind of top, and you just push down and it puts a little, and you can just, I like the theory of how clean and protected that keeps the creams. I just like the theory of it. Plus, it's super easy to use. So when I put it on the back of my hand, it's kind of got that, well, they talked about it being a gel, that gel-like formula in a cream. Oh, it smells lovely. I would say it's fragranced. That is beautiful though. I would absolutely like to smell like this. Actually, I would love a body cream in this scent. I wonder if they make a body cream. That's just, it smells lovely. I mean, I can't see if I'm getting younger yet. We could just sit here and wait and see if I'm plumping and firming. Actually, the back of my hand does look way better than the back of my other hand. I'm sure that you guys can't see that I put it on this one and not on this one, but can you hear the difference in the dryness? I mean, maybe any lotion would do that, but I'm gonna assume it's this one. Again, and yeah, it smells so good. I don't think I have ingredients. Oh, it does have ingredients. Let's see if we can work out what the scent is. I don't see anything in here that has a scent other than about a little more than halfway through, it does have fragrance in it. So if you are super fragrance sensitive, this might not be for you, but oh my goodness, I cannot even tell you how good the back of my hand feels. I can't wait to try this. So that is the Glossybox Special Rodial box. I cannot wait to try all of these products. You guys know, if you watch the channel, there are so many anti-aging products out there that I just can't use because they all have vitamin C in them, or they have something else, licorice root or grapefruit or whatever, that I just can't use. And I am just so excited that I can use all of these products and they're anti-aging products. Just too excited. Thank you so much for coming by, guys. If you have any interest in this, I will put my link below. If you use the link, it will get you your first Glossybox for $5 off, so it will only be $16. And once you subscribe to Glossybox, You can get this box for $30. I believe it's going to be $35 if you don't have a Glossybox subscription. And if you had thought about getting the advent calendar, you get $10 off the advent calendar also if you're a member of Glossybox. If you would like to purchase this or the advent calendar without joining Glossybox, you can absolutely do that. I think this is going to be $35, whereas it's $30 if you join, and the advent calendar is $99 and it's $89 if you're a member. So you can follow my link, or you can just beep, boop, beep, boop, type Glossybox in and go over and check it out. Thank you so much for taking the time to come over and check out this box. And let me do a quick review in case you've forgotten. There are 2 of the lip masks, 2 of the jelly eye patches, the micellar water, the sculpting gel, which I cannot wait to try, and an XXL Glamo Lash. If you have tried any of these products, let me know below what you thought, because I haven't tried any of them and I can't wait to, but I would love to know what you guys think. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and I will see you really, really soon. Take care, guys.